Alright everyone, we're going to be some of the first riders. These are the elevators here at the DOCO parking structure. Oh my god, wow, look at this. Yo, this is nice. Whoa. Whoa, they kept the original motor. Let's go to 6.
Sixth floor.
Ooh, that leveling.
Going down.
They're a bit faster than they used to be. Wow, so smooth. Look at that snap cap. And my beautiful girl. I like the shiny floor.
First floor.
Let's go to 2. Wow, listen to those relays.
Second floor.
Send you up to 5? Let's get the other one. Wow.
First floor.
This is nice.
Going up.
Look at that. All new door equipment.
Can I press the next one?
Yeah, push 6. Cute. Very impressive.
Sixth floor.
Look at that leveling.
Going down.
On point. Oh, check that out right there.
Going down.
Cutie. Going down?
Going down.
You going 2?
Sure. Second floor.
Go ahead.
Going down.
Yeah. I am very impressed with this mod.
First floor.
Alright, and you know, since this is another episode of the 4 Lovely Westies, we're gonna switch at 5 to go check out the other one. Listen to this. Love those relays.
Fifth.
Slow down. Level. Boom. Hella fast. Look at that. It's off-centered. They got digital indicators on every floor. That is nice. Alright. Let's go to one of the old ones now. Here's one of the old ones. Plugging the people inside of it. Going up?
Yep. 5, please.
Cool. You going up too? 5?
5, yeah.
Have a good day.
Really, just
Okay, you guys, nice ride with you?
Yep. Look at this one. Very nice, isn't it?
Ah, I'm gonna fall off.
Yeah, it's about to fall off. It's been falling off for a long time. Quite a difference, isn't it? They did a good job. Hello. Cutie. And I have one of these in my room. Big old bum.
Sounds pretty.
You look pretty. Alright, here we go. Last one. Oh, wow. This thing has gotten... Wow. This thing is... Holy shit, this thing got bad. Yep. Look at that. The whole key switch is like about to fall out. Man, they just let this one go to crap. Those things are, but they installed them on top of all the elevators, so they must have something to do with the elevator. Look at that. Everything's falling off.